Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will unbox another model of the car that once was driven by my grandfather. It is Soviet 3rd Series GAZ 21, Volga, made by Autogrand in 1/43 scale. Mostly it was used as a duty transport for police, taxi, also used by high-rank specialists or directors. Also, it was used as a race car, and set a start for traditional Latvian car competition, Amber Volga. My grandfather bought identical Volga in 70s, as a second-hand car during military duty in Hungary, and used it up until 2003. So, this car is linked to our family's history too. There are decent amount of GAZ 21 die-cast models on market. This example is positioned as a mass-made highly detailed toy. First series of these models became very popular for collectors due to low price, high details, and most correct geometrical form. Opening doors gives nostalgic memories of Soviet-era made models. It is a considerable factor too. For my surprise, I have got an additional spare part. It is possible that somewhere exists model without a dashboard. But as production continued, quality of these models started to drop dramatically. My example have a lot of defects too. I suppose that additional dashboard is like a compensation. In addition to bent steering wheel, I have discovered an annoying hole in roof. Also, one of wheel covers have problems with chromed surface. Underneath of this model looks pretty decent. It looks that there are no other considerable defects. Overall, I would call this model as an ironical. A Soviet car with Russian build quality gives full-scale nostalgia. It is very common for Eastern countries to buy car with additional spare parts or even donor car. But still, for low price and good potential for upgrades, it is a great model. If you are lucky enough, you can find well-made model that was assembled by responsible worker in good mood. Hope that you liked this video. Write in comments if you got additional spare parts together with new model.